Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ka Jingïalehkai Golflink Tigers kala long ka kunhun banyo ra ya kanam la do ka lempung Jingïalehkai Kriket kom ka Jingrakhi ka jingdap Arsan Snem ka Jinglong nom ikmat jong ba Jingïalehkai ya ka penthorong kra constituency ka Golflink Tigers kala yo ra ya kini kanam la do da ka perlim no ya ka kunhun Jingïalehkai nong mensong e hakni ka jingkhon Morning Star upalayo ban kamai khandai pun riuran bat yo khur khan ri wicket ulayo ra ya kanam man of the tournament but man of the match kat ba Bikram Pradhan ulayo ra ya kanam best bowler but Saurav Sharma ulayo ra ya kanam best batsman kat ba ka Aryan Club kalayo ra ya kanam best team kani ka ji kon final bala pelong da kanong mensong kala long hakalai puai trik no pra arajar arpuar.
Thank you, sir. Now I shall invite Sri Ilyas Kirim, General Secretary, BJP Mandal, to come over to felicitate our guest of honor, Sri Chandra Kumar Rai, President, Durga Bhavani Mandir, Normal Song. Thank you, sir.
This is one way to, to keep them away from the evil thing of this society, which is creeping to every young generation. So by involving in playing in any kind of tournament, might be football, might be cricket, or any other tournament, they will do away all this evil thing. So I wish them success in their life. I wish them they can do great thing in their life through their participation in any time in any kind of events. As we know why we are organizing this event, we are organizing this in order to show to the world also to that our MLA is a great one. 5 times he have won as an MLA, and we are hoping he will keep on winning in the coming time also. Because why? He is very approachable to every person. He is down to earth, I can say. This is the big thing that a person is having in him. So, by celebrating this, we are achieving with him also those success, those milestones which he have had in his life. We wish you, sir, from time to time, that you will be able to do all the good things for the people of your constituency.
Mana? Kuning aman. Ya lah.
organizing committee of Nongman Song for the Silver Jubilee celebrations of the 14th Putharongkra constituency. So I'd like to thank first of all to our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Raj Kumar Binaji, who is the Assistant Commandant, who are present here with us in our midst today. Also we have another guest of honor, Honorable Guest of Honor, Shri C.K. Rai, the ex-army and the President of Durga Bhavani Mandir Nongman Song. Thank you, sir, for present here today. And also we have our R.C. Bhatt, the Assistant Commandants, our friends who has come to witness the tournament today. And also we have our friends who are coming all the way from Rajasthan, Guwahati, and today they are here with us, Shri Sripal Jain, who is a good friend of mine who are present here. And thank you for your presence here, sir. Also we have in our midst today the Professor Rai, one of the oldest BJP leaders of the state of Putharongkra constituency, also the state of Meghalaya. And also we have Badeng Ananias. Badeng Ananias, the president of the Putharongkra Putharongkra Mandal committee, is a president. And also we have with us amid the Mahila Samiti, all the friends, ladies and gentlemen who are present here today. And we have also Kong Judy, who has just left short while ago. She is the president of the Meghalaya Mahila States BJP. And we have all our volunteers, and particularly like to thank our organizing committee, our main manager of the committee, Kamal Sunar, who has been working with his team. He is not alone. He is working with his team day and night to ensure the tournament it is completed with a grand success. So thank you very much for the organizing committee, his Kamal Sunar and all his friends, everyone who have been taking days and night to ensure the tournament is going to be a grand success. And also we have in our midst today so many guest friends, ladies and gentlemen. I will not be able to name each one of you, but we will not forget our cultural troops, which have presented to us with a beautiful song, beautiful dance, which is very, thank you very much. They are the representative from Nongman Song area. And we have also another patriotic song, I think will be displayed after some time. And also all the participant teams, all participant teams who have participated in this tournament. I congratulate to all the teams who have been played very well. Today also both the team, the Golflink Tigers and also the Nongman Song, they have played very, very well. Both the teams are very strong. But in the team, in the match, in the competition, it has to be a winner, it has to be a runners-up. I congratulate both the teams. For me are the winners, but congratulate them for the Golflink Tigers for the winner, the champion of the cricket tournament today. And also congratulations to Nongman Song for the runners-up. So friends, I will not take much of your time, and also like to wish you, since few hours from now, we are going to be end a weekend, we are going to be end a month's end, we are going to be end the year end today. So all end will be closed today. So we are thank you for 2022 and welcome 2023, the new year. To all of you, I wish you a very, very and successful new year and happy new year and prosperous new year to every one of you. So thank you very much for all the players who have been playing here, playing very well. Now we have only more 2 events left. One is the football is going to be concluded on the 3rd of January, and also the finale, the singing competitions with all the people we are inviting. For the finale will be the 7th of January, we're going to be held there at Langkading Mingi with the singing competition, with the grand finale of the Silver Jubilee celebration of the people of Putharongkra constituency. Once again, long live the people of Putharongkra constituency, long live all the citizens of the Putharongkra constituency, long live the people of our states of Shillong, and long live the people of the state of Meghalaya, and long live the people of the state of India. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind, thank you, Dhanabad.
बादलों के घर मेघालय और मेघालय के भी सबसे खूबसूरत शहर शिलोंग शिलोंग के इस लाल ग्राउंड में आज की इस सिल्वर जुबली प्रतियोगिता के समापन समारोह में उपस्थित सभी मेरे भाई और बहनों को सादर नमस्कार। जय हिंद, जय भारत। इस कार्यक्रम में सीमा सुरक्षा बल को आमंत्रित करने के लिए मैं विशेष आभार व्यक्त करना चाहूँगा सर अशोक, श्री कोमल सुनार और मिस्टर ए नोंगधर और एमएलए साहब श्री एल हक और यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी सम्मान्य नागरिकगण। प्रतियोगिताएं इस जीवन को जीवंत बनाती है। ये सारी वो गतिविधियां हैं जो समुद्र में एक लहरों के समान है। जिस प्रकार लहरें समुद्र को हमेशा स्वच्छ बनाती है, उसी प्रकार ये प्रतियोगिताएं, इस तरह का खेल कूद और अन्य गतिविधियां हमारे जीवन को पवित्र बनाती है, ताकत देती है, हमेशा नई एनर्जी को शरीर में उत्पन्न करती है। हमारा शरीर और मन दोनों इन गतिविधियों से हमेशा शांत और ज्ञान की ओर चले जाते हैं। आपसी भाईचारे के लिए सीमा सुरक्षा बल मेघालय के तकरीबन बॉर्डर को देखती है, इसलिए हमारे आपसी सहयोग और सामंजस्य का बना रहना हमारे सबके लिए बहुत अच्छी बात है। हर प्रोग्राम में सीमा सुरक्षा बल को आमंत्रित करते हैं, इसके लिए मैं सीमा सुरक्षा बल की ओर से भी तहे दिल से आयोजक कमेटी का और सभी मेघालय के निवासियों का तहे दिल से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आगे भविष्य में भी हम सब आपस में मिलजुल कर हमारे देश को और मजबूती की ओर ले जाएंगे। सरहदों के साथ सुरक्षा रखते हुए हम यहाँ की शांति और अमन को बनाने में हमारी महत्वपूर्ण भूमिकाएं निभाते रहेंगे। इस प्रतियोगिता में आज बहुत ही खूबसूरत पल है, जिसमें हमारे 2022 वर्ष आज समापन की ओर है और 2023 आगमन के पड़ाव पर है। तो ऐसे खूबसूरत इन दो लम्हों के बीच में इतने पूरे जो इस प्रतियोगिता में जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स किए हैं, उनके मनोबल और जोश को देखकर हमें भी जो इस गुजरती हुई आयु के साथ भी वापस पहले वाला जोश, पहले वाला जुनून फिर से शरीर में खून में बहने लगता है और अच्छा लगता है इन युवाओं को देखकर, इस यूथ को देखकर। तो मेरी इन सभी से मैं इनके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूँ। यहाँ पे इस प्रांगण में आज मनमोहक सांस्कृतिक प्रस्तुति देने वाले सभी नन्हे बच्चों को भी मैं तहे दिल से इनका भी शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ, जो मैं सिर्फ हमारे को इस लाल ग्राउंड में एक अच्छा अनुभव कराती है, बल्कि इस देश की सुंदरता को, इस देश की संस्कृति को भी आगे अपने साथ आगे बढ़ाती है। किसी भी देश की सांस्कृतिक जो गतिविधियां है, वही उस देश की जड़ों को मजबूत करती है, वो उनको सींचती है, वो उस खून के समान है जो आगे जीवन को निखारती है और वटवृक्ष की तरह उसको महान बनाती है। आज पूरे देश में, मुल्क में पिछले कई सालों से शांति का दौर चल रहा है, जो कि हमारे लिए बहुत सुकून की बात है। ऐसा आगे भी मैं कामना करता हूँ कि 2022 जिस तरह से हमारे लिए शांति का दौर रहा है और जिसमें हमारे लक्ष्य तकरीबन पूरे हुए हैं, उसी प्रकार आने वाले 2023 के साल में भी हमारे बचे हुए लक्ष्य पूरे हों, इसी तरह से शांति बनी रहे, हम सबके जीवन में सुख, शांति और समृद्धि आए, ऐसी मैं कामना करता हूं। एक बार मैं पुनः इस प्रतियोगिता में पार्टिसिपेंट्स करने वाले सभी खिलाड़ियों तथा इसको अनुशासन के साथ आयोजित कराने वाली कमेटी को तहे दिल से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। जय हिंद, जय भारत। भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे।
थैंक यू एवरीवन।
Sanjit Chanda, Vicky Das, Sanjeev Thapa, Sanjeev Bhu, Pankaj Thapa, Rakesh Patra, and Regan Mori. With the cash prize of rupees 30,000. Please give a big round of applause. Vishnu Mahato, Vice Captain. Chintu Shah, Akash Sharma, Sandeep Roy, Supriyo Chanda, Abid Khan, Deepak Mahato, Kamlesh Khan, Sunil Kumar Yadav. By our beloved Nick, the winner, along with the cash prize of rupees 50,000.
I love the chase, I set the pace when I'm running. I always pay for the one and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank on flooded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted. Stay humble. Now wake up. It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror and he is no friend of me. It's